Howdy everybody. Today we're going to be tackling some wobbly fence repair. Now the other day my wife was astutely observing the neighbor's fence repairman, and they happened to be wearing cowboy hats and jeans and no shirt. And while she was keenly observing this, I thought, man, how could we repair this in a way that adds like a country kitsch flair to your home, to your outdoor living space? So we're gonna look at that today. Now, if you call a contractor, they're gonna say this is probably most likely caused by moisture getting into the wood rotting, and it's just in need of replacement. Now, in my experience, 90% of fences, when they're wobbly like this, it's either been caused by moles or graboids. And so I'm gonna show you a nice, easy, quick way to go ahead and repair this and get you a nice country feel to your fence. So we're gonna repair and not replace. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna just take an old lawnmower here, all right? We're just gonna wedge it up against nice and tight, all right? And now we've got that wedged in there, I've already done this a little before, a little magic here, but we've got an old dishwasher here on the other side, and you can see that's really shored this fence up a little bit. If you need something else to do, you might be able to maybe just get an old rusty wheel or something and just kind of tuck that up there. And if that's not enough, just look around and see, maybe the previous homeowners have left some thoughtful gifts for you. Like, we've got some old concrete here, or if you want, you could grab something like this nice broken concrete bird bath. And again, just strategically wedge that in there, and look, I mean, that fence is going to last for years to come with this simple fix. It really gives you this country kitsch feel to this outdoor living space. At this time, I just wanted to throw out there that this show is looking for sponsors. So if you happen to work or know someone who works at Ferrari or Lamborghini or Bugatti, I feel like if you show them this video, this is going to be, they're gonna see that this is the kind of a person who could really represent their brand and really bring a lot of customers to them. So just wanted to throw that out there. If you happen to work for an Italian supercar company, go ahead and hit me with a message, and we'll see if we can't work something out to where we can represent your brand. So with that said, that's a nice, quick, easy fix for you for your wobbly fence, and that ain't going anywhere. So ciao, arrivederci, and we'll see you soon.